would like to begin by highlighting contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, whose birthday 31st October we celebrate every year as Rashtriya Ekta Divas or the National Unity Day. This year it is more special because today is the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So that is why we have gathered here today. For Indians, Rashtriya Ekta Divas is not merely a formality. It is a profound reminder of the vision, sacrifice and strength that forged our nation. It is a day to reaffirm our commitment to the unity and integrity of India. We all know that Sardar Patel took upon himself the monumental challenge of integrating more than 560 princely states when we got independence in 1947. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India and he was also the first Home Minister of India. In these roles, with his diplomatic genius and unwavering resolve, he brought these diverse kingdoms into under a single national umbrella. He traveled across the land, persuading rulers to join the Indian Union, and his efforts led the territorial foundation of modern India that we are today. His unwavering commitment to national integrity, good governance, and public service continues to inspire generations. His work teaches us that unity is not a goal, it must be nurtured and protected. Today, the values upheld by Sardar Patel are more relevant than ever before because as a nation we are facing new challenges, both internal as well as external, that threaten our national fabric. It is therefore important that we honor Sardar Patel's legacy by rejecting divisions based on caste, creed or community, etc. On this Rashtriya Ekta Divas, let us remember that we are Indians first and our shared identity is what makes us resilient. By working together, we can ensure a future where our nation continues to thrive and prosper. Let us also reaffirm our collective resolve to uphold Sardar Patel's vision of a united, strong and Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India. With this spirit, later on today we will also be taking National Unity Pledge. Distinguished guests, now coming to Janjatiya Gaurav Varsh, I would like to mention that Government of India has declared 15th November the birthday of Bhagwan Birsa Munda, the legendary freedom fighter and tribal leader of the country, as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas to commemorate the contributions of tribal communities in national history and culture and motivate the coming generations for protecting our cultural heritage and national pride. As 15th November 2025 marks 150th birth anniversary of Bhagwan Birsa Munda, it has been decided by the Government of India to celebrate Janjatiya Gaurav Varsh from 15 November 2024 to 15th November 2025. Bhagwan Birsa Munda is considered a folk hero in India who played a pivotal role in the Indian independence movement by leading an armed tribal uprising against British colonial rule and exploitative landlords in the late 19th century. He is often referred to as Dharti Aba or the father of the earth by his followers, who also considered him a divine figure or Bhagwan. That is why we call him Bhagwan Birsa Munda. The movement is spearheaded by him, aimed to reclaim tribal lands, resist forced labor, bathe Bigari and challenge the British imposed feudal system that replaced the traditional Khunt-Katti communal land ownership system. His slogan was Abua Raj Setar Jana, Maharani Raj Tundu Jana. Let the Queen's rule end and our kingdom be established. Even though he died at a very young age of 25 in 1900 in Ranchi jail under mysterious circumstances, his movement forced the British administration to introduce the Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act of 1908, which restricted the transfer of lands from tribals to non-tribals. I would like to conclude by adding that His portrait hangs in the Parliamentary Museum of India and his statue has been installed at Prerna Sthal inside the Parliamentary House complex. Various institutions and public places, including the Birsa Munda Airport in Ranchi, are named after him. Thank you.
Thanks for watching India Vision. Give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. All comments are welcome. Hope to see you soon.